website or app, but without buying expensive servers or worrying about maintenance. That's where Amazon Web Services come in. It's a cloud platform that gives you access to computing power, storage, and tools over the internet, like renting instead of owning. AWS powers companies like Netflix, NASA, and Airbnb, helping them scale fast and stay secure. If you've used Zoom or watched Prime Video, AWS was working behind the scenes. Cloud computing is like having a virtual powerhouse at your fingertips. AWS supercharges this with 200+ services, from hosting websites to analyzing big data. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or part of a big company, AWS helps you innovate, grow, and stay efficient. Let's take a closer look at AWS' impressive global footprint. AWS operates data centers all around the world, organized into regions and availability zones. Think of regions as countries, and availability zones as cities within those countries. This setup ensures your applications stay up and running, even if one zone has a problem. For example, a popular online gaming platform can provide smooth, low-latency gameplay to players in Sydney, Berlin, or Sao Paulo, ensuring an uninterrupted and enjoyable experience no matter where they are. It's not just about global reach, but also resilience and reliability. With AWS infrastructure, businesses can easily expand worldwide without the hassle of managing physical servers in multiple countries, making growth smoother and more efficient than ever before. AWS is like a vast digital toolbox, offering over 200 fully featured services. Let's break this down with some real-world examples. For storage, there's Amazon S3, which is like a limitless, secure digital warehouse. Many businesses use this to store everything from backup files to large datasets. Then there's Amazon EC2, which provides virtual servers. Imagine being able to set up a powerful computer with just a few clicks. That's EC2 in action. For database management, services like Amazon RDS take care of the heavy lifting. A restaurant chain might use this to manage reservations across multiple locations seamlessly. Meanwhile, AWS Lambda allows you to run code without managing servers, perfect for a retail app that needs to process sudden spikes in orders during sales events. And for those venturing into AI, Amazon SageMaker simplifies the process of building and deploying machine learning models. These services work together, allowing businesses to innovate faster and more efficiently. Now, let's dive into why AWS stands out in the cloud computing world. First up is scalability. AWS allows your resources to grow or shrink based on demand. Imagine a small online store that suddenly goes viral. With AWS, they can handle that traffic surge without breaking a sweat. Next, there's the pay-as-you-go pricing model. This is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. You only pay for what you use, much like your electricity bill. This flexibility can lead to significant cost savings. Reliability is another cornerstone of AWS. With its robust infrastructure, AWS offers high availability and fault tolerance. For instance, a healthcare app using AWS can ensure patient data is always accessible, even during peak times or unexpected events. Lastly, AWS flexibility allows businesses to experiment and innovate quickly. A media company can easily test new streaming features without investing in expensive hardware. These benefits combine to create a platform that not only supports your current needs but also fuels future growth and innovation. You might be wondering, how does all this AWS talk apply to me? Well, let's break it down. First, ease of use. AWS is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you can navigate and utilize its services. This accessibility means you can focus on your ideas and projects, not on managing complex IT systems. Next, career relevance. As more companies move to the cloud, AWS skills are increasingly in demand. Whether you're in IT, marketing, or finance, understanding AWS can give you a competitive edge in your career. Finally, there's the integration potential. AWS works seamlessly with many tools and platforms you might already be using. This means you can enhance your current workflows without starting from scratch. For students, it's a chance to work with cutting-edge technology. For professionals, it's an opportunity to drive innovation in your field. And for entrepreneurs, it's a platform to build and scale your ideas without massive upfront costs. In essence, AWS isn't just a set of tech tools, it's a gateway to new possibilities in our increasingly